Okay, so what you do you remember what to do? No. All in one. You've got to open your mouth, Viv. Tastes like the sea? Viv? Talk me through it. How you feeling? The only way to do it is quickly.
I can't do all this water, it's going to make me squeal.
Well, just drip a bit of the water out then. Okay. Now. No, tip it like so. Now just tip it into your mouth with the liquor.
It's got brain.
No, it hasn't. Don't look at it. Whatever you do. Just all of it. Go. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. Bez. No, never. Never. Like that. Never ever bite it like that.
Can't do it.
You can. All in one. Go. Don't. Don't. Don't bite it. Just swallow.
I can't.
Tip it to the back of your throat and just swallow. Go on. Just tip it. Go on. With the liquor. Tip it back to the back of your throat. Yes.
Do I have to take all the juice?
Well, you need some because you'll need it to go. No, tip it. Babes.
No.
No, don't bite it.
I'm not enjoying this.
You're doing it wrong, that's why.
And it's just so slimy. All the black little things around it. Come on.
No, just tip it. Go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Tip it into your mouth. All of it at once.
Chips.
You can try again. Just swallow it. Like you're swallowing a big tablet.
You have to
No, don't chew it. Just no, just swallow it. 3, 2, 1. Let it slide down your
It's just unpleasant. You knew this was going to happen.
I can't
Just
see.
when it just goes all over my tongue and like octopus.
Swallow it. Why are you biting it? I've never seen anyone bite. You're not meant to bite.
Oh, green.
Swallow it. It's on your lips. On the left side of your lips.
I'm not ever like this. It's not nice, Hannah. Just never going to do it.
Oops.
It's green. It's so disgusting. I don't want people to do that.
Stop fingering it. Who licks an oyster? Bianca. Just swallow it, babes. It's going to make you feel worse eating it this way.
Even pearl in it.
God.
The juice is nice. Can't get it chewed.
Don't chew it. Don't eat it then, boobs.
I have to juice.
Well, just swallow it now, like you're eating a big tablet. And just let it go straight to the back of your throat.
No, because I'm sick.
That's the only way to eat them, babe. There's a reason why people don't chew it.
Let's swallow all the blubber.
All of it.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Maybe I should watch someone do it.
I told you how to do it. Don't look at it. Swallow. Swallow, quick. Big gulp.
I can't do it. No, it's not going to go down. Money. You do it.
No. A regurgitated oyster.
Get £10 if I swallow it, yes?
What?
Yeah?
I'll buy you a coffee.
Buy me a new pair of trousers.
I did
Say yes.
yesterday.
Say yes, quick. Do it. Oh my, it's so exciting.
Oh, you're going to vomit on the beach, aren't you? Swallow it.
I can't. That's it. No. Ah. Money. By now it's chance to eat it now.
Well, you've eaten it a few times. I wouldn't personally. I think it's a lost cause, babes.
I've done well to put
Yeah. Do you want to watch the video of you now? Are you going to eat it?
No.
So, babes, how was your first oyster experience? First and last? I'm proud of you for trying.
I couldn't have done it, but that beach and everything needed with the sukkah.
Yeah, and we can show in this video.
I can still try to eat it now.
If you want to keep trying, try.
But doesn't it go off after something is done?
The remains.
You had to die for me.
Big gulp. Is it gone? Is it going?
No. No, that's it. That's the last time. It's just not. I'm not there. That's it. I don't want.
Bet you got it on your nose. Some oyster on your nose, please.
Okay, that's it. I don't want to do it
No.
anymore. I have tears in my eyes.
You look a bit pale, babe.
Gross. It's enough now.
I have tears in my
Turn it
eyes.
off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Babes, don't worry.
Tried it.
It's not for everyone, this disgusting thing.
No. I feel like I need to sit. And this poor little oyster. Yeah. Come on now.
Finished?
Yeah, I finished.
Babes, I love you for trying.